Okay guys, so I recorded this whole video and then realized I didn't have my mic plugged in. So I'm just going to kind of tell you about, um, I'm going to show you how to make a little sign with these stickers, with sticker letters. I'm using these double layered stickers. This is all from the Dollar Tree. And then whatever pieces of wood you have. This is a metal sign that I had from Hobby Lobby that I didn't want anymore. So I painted the blue over top of it. And that's going to be the background for my sign today. I'm going to also show you a few other signs that I've made just to give you some inspiration and some ideas. You can use whatever you have around your house, or you can go online and order. This was made, okay, I did the little doll from a wall sticker from Walmart. You know how they have those long strips of the wall decals? And then I Mod Podged it onto my white painted sign. I put some little gems and a saying on it. And for your quotes that you want to put on a sign, when I'm somewhere and I see something funny or something that I like, I write it down. And then I just go into Word, I type it up, print it out, and then glue it onto my sign. Well, I use Mod Podge. So that was the first one. Now this one is 2 pieces of pine stapled together. Another wall sticker. The llama is from the long strips of wall decals that I've also Mod Podged on. I put Mod Podge on the back because I don't trust the wall adhesive to stay on the sign. And then this one was Mod Podged over top. You see it's just 2 stapled together, and then it's my heavy duty stapler, and then I drilled 2 holes in the top and put a little piece of twine for the hanger. And you can make your signs unique with different types of hangers. These are more letters from the Dollar Tree and stickers from the Dollar Tree. And this sign was made with cupcake toppers. I still haven't put a hanger on it. They have little tutus, but of course they had little tulle tutus, but I sealed this. Y'all know I seal everything, and so it made them hard, but that way they won't fall off when it's hanging on someone's wall. This one is 2 pieces of pine stapled together, and then 1 more piece of pine on top. The top one I glued on, and then I used the 3D letters, some gems, and an arrow sticker. This one is has a ribbon hanger. That's what I was showing you there. This one doesn't have a hanger on it yet. That was a little sloth, and the saying was, you know you're lazy when you get excited about canceling your plans. Now this one was a picture I took while I was out in the oil field. It was a pure desert with a little flower growing up out of the ground. You know, it's just a little weed, but it just stood out. So I took a picture and I made a sign out of it. And this stuff comes like in a ball like yarn. This one was made from junk I found out in the oil field, just pieces of trash I found. I fashioned pieces of wire into the part that says roughneck and the part that says oil field. They're just nuts and bolts and things I found on the ground. Painted them different colors. So really you can make a sign out of any kind of trash or whatever. I like to recycle. This one's more sticker letters with a tulle hanger. This one, I'm a night owl, that suits me, so I had to make something like that. Then I put a little owl charm and a beaded hanger. This one is my favorite. It's the saying says maybe she's born with it, maybe it's an Instagram filter. But anyway, I printed it out and it wasn't wanting to stick, so I put these jewels right here on the edge of the paper to help hold it down. And of course the whole thing's going to get sealed, but those little jewels and beads along the edges of the quote helped to ensure it wasn't going to peel off. And you can see it's crooked. Y'all know, if you follow my channel, I'm not real anal about getting everything perfect. I just used a little girl from one of the wall decals. And that was also just a piece of painted pine. I think I got it from Walmart. Over in their craft section, they have some different little kinds of wood. This is I'm not even sure what kind of wood this is, but I was telling y'all here about, I'm going to try to find the guy that I bought this wood from. It's not just that piece, but he gives you a whole priority mailbox crammed full. And I think he has a wood flooring shop or something, and he gives you the end cuts and pieces. And some of them will be longer, some of them wider. I think it was like $20 for the box plus the shipping. And it had like zebra wood and sassafras or sarsaparilla. I had to look the pieces up because I didn't know what a lot of it was. But it had some exotic wood, some regular wood, but it was a nice box of wood. And I've made tons of signs out of that box and still have pieces left. So I'll leave that link if I can find him. And this last one was made from a sign I found out in the oil field and a giant wall sticker. If you look close, you can see those two pieces are stuck together. It was just a sign, and then I put I painted it and I glittered up the paint, and I put that big wall sticker on it and a couple little mermaids, a tulle hanger, and I drilled a hole in a couple of seashells that I had and hung those on the hanger. So here we go with today's sign. And I've already cut out my letters so that y'all didn't have to sit and wait on me to do that. And I'm just putting mine on haphazardly, but you could put a piece of painter's tape across and make it so you've got a straight line, or you could put a piece of paper there, just hold a piece of paper, get it even with the edge of your sign, and that way you can get your letters straight. Or, as I often do, you can just put them haphazard. You can slant them left and right and up and down so they're not all on a straight line. However looks good to you. I like to cut mine out and lay them out and kind of get an idea how I want it to go. Also to make sure that they're going to fit on the piece that I have. So I'm just sticking all of the stickers on, and then I have a little wash tub with some bubbles that I'm going to fit in there, and I have a little weenie dog, little dachshund. And the sign is going to say, "Don't forget to wash your weenie," which it was a quote I'd seen somewhere, and I wrote it down. And then when I saw these letters and then these little three-dimensional animals, I call them 3D because they're layered, but it just seemed perfect to me for the sign. And I thought, if you have a little colorful bathroom, it would be cute for your bathroom. Or you could put it by your dog washing station. Put it by your leash holder. And of course, I'm going to seal mine with the gloss sealer. And you know that you don't have to use the gloss sealer like I use on everything. You don't have to seal it at all. I just think it makes it look more professional. It will be sturdier. It will hold up. It will be washable. But you also could get flat sealer. You don't have to use the high gloss. I just prefer the high gloss. I don't know what happened with my recording. I did the whole video and then I realized there was no audio when I went to edit. And then I was not going to make this whole video over again. So here's how it came out before it's sealed. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.